for their the same bath and other stuff. But yes, how did you come up with this idea?
So we are first of all sulfate-free, paraben-free, co-created by skin experts and dermatologically tested. The reason we came up was the kids around. They use baby products, and as and when they grow older, we shift them to adult brands which have a lot of harmful chemicals. We wanted to create something which is safe for them along with fun. So if you see my range, I've got kiwi, I've got cherry, I've got mango, I've got unicorns which the kids enjoy.
My goodness. I think every kid would like to, bathe twice a day if they see your product. And great idea. I've never seen something like this before. Wow. Okay. Next up we have.
So I'm Shivani from Aritri. At Aritri we have SLS sulfate paraben-free soaps. All of these are handmade by me. We have something for the kids. We have something for adults. We have something for everyone, men, women, everyone. And these are glycerin-based soaps, SLS sulfate paraben-free, in which I add coconut oil, almond oil, vitamin E oil. So we have amazing fragrances. Yeah, as the one you picked up, that is a toy soap. We have leather soaps, soaps in teddy bear shape, modak soaps as well. So we have a lot of huge variety. Please do come by our stall and indulge in amazing bath experience. We also have bath salts there. So and also soaplets, which are small bite-sized soaps, which you can use for travel purposes. So please, everyone, humble request to stop by our stall. Thank you.
Check. I think you have taken the bathing experience to the next level, because the kids these days, they don't want to bath. It's difficult, and especially the mothers find it really difficult to bathe them. And if you are coming with some creative soaps like this, where they can have fun while taking bath, this is amazing. I must request everybody to please visit this stall, and all the best to you. This is creative, amazing stuff. Thank you so much. Alright, next up we have again an amazing jewelry